Hi, my name is Charmaine Thompson. This is for Bio 225. This is part 2 of my Aseptic Technique lab. Sorry. So what I did is I do have 3 agar plates poured here. And with each agar plate, I do have them labeled, and then I have the broth for each bacteria next to it. I have let the broth sit for about 72 hours. I really didn't see much change with that one. This one is pretty cloudy, and that one does have growth at the bottom. And I do also have the loops sitting in alcohol. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start trying to individualize the colonies.
Mom.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sterilize the lip. So I'm just going to kind of pass this over the flame just to sterilize the lip. Okay, and I have my agar plate here. This is for the S. cervasis. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over. And then take the lid off. And being careful not to touch the lid, I'm going to go ahead and place the lid inside the broth. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to transfer it to one quadrant here. Okay, so I went ahead and I let the loop sit in the alcohol for 20 seconds. I shook it, it's dry. The last time I went over here, I did go ahead and I kind of cultured this area right here in this quadrant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off again. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go at the edge of this quadrant where I was before. And I'm going to go ahead and spread it this way. Okay. Put that back on there, and then I'm going to put this in there for 20 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and spread my third quadrant. I'm going to go ahead, and here's about the edge here. Let me move this flame before I burn myself. Here's about the edge here. Go ahead and take it, and then I'm going to spread in a Z formation this way. Put the lid back on there. Okay, so now I'm going to do the final quadrant for this one. Go ahead, and I'm going to get to the edge right here. I can get it here, okay, edge, and then my zigzag motion just like that. Okay, put that back in the alcohol. So this one's done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna repeat the technique for the next 2, and then I'll go ahead and I'll show you where the plates are gonna be kept after. Okay, so I went ahead and I finished the other 2 just like I did the first. I separated the colony. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place it in my incubation spot and leave it for 40 hours and hope that something grows.